Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS 17 or later and a power source. Once plugged in, Standby appears automatically in Landscape. First, rotate your iPhone 13 to Landscape and place it on the charger so the screen faces you. Make sure the device is unlocked or quickly tap to wake. This prompts the Standby UI. You're starting the mode now because it uses landscape layout for widgets, clocks, and notifications, so set the phone down with the camera oriented to the right or left for best alignment. Once done with orientation, tap the bottom Customize button to pick widgets and clock designs. You'll see options for weather, calendar, and smart stacks. You can swipe left or right to cycle through different layouts and long press a widget to replace or resize it. Make sure to enable night mode or a specific focus filter if you want dimmer colors after dark. This reduces glare and preserves battery. These choices shape how notifications and glanceable data appear while in standby. To finish, lock your phone in Landscape and confirm notifications show up as expected. Tap items to open apps. If standby doesn't appear, restart the iPhone 13 and reattach the charger. This often resolves initialization glitches. Also check settings display and brightness for auto lock and rotation settings. Make sure orientation lock is off. If problems persist, update iOS and verify the charger supplies enough power. These quick checks get you back to a working Standby display fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.